EGO Building Mixed-Use Building by Owolarchitects in MAPO-GU, South Korea. The design was made up of functional elements except for the most decorative elements. Fortunately, the architect's taste and our taste matched well. Windows, exterior materials, and interior materials were all simplified, so it was our purpose not to mix various materials. The design of the elevation is also planned with geometric figures and consists only of regular straight lines and curves. Red bricks were selected because there were many buildings built with red bricks in the area, and they wanted to fit in with the neighborhood by applying modern red bricks to the old neighborhood, taking advantage of a large number of commercial and residential, young and old people. It became a lot of concerns between functions and design. I wanted to apply both functions and design. In the process, it was difficult to listen to the design, or too functionally thought it was difficult to catch the design, and it was important to catch the concept. In addition, telescopes strengthened the ground, but there is more water from the ground than I thought. The basement was secured to secure stability at the basement level. It used red brick tiles, and Oksang province could be flat. The rooftop was flat, using Ps, and the sea was able to hide the Trent. The front and right surface of front and right surfaces of the building were planned to be held for the entire opening and building. The window was installed on the rear and left surfaces, and the mechanical exchange system was designed to be possible. The entry part of the floor was divided into the bottom of the pedestrian and vehicle. The line that extends over the entrance extends to the interior and the space outside of the interior. In the center plan within the east and actual space plan, all floors, except the basement of the main stairs, all layers were able to look at the road. It was planned to confirm the name of the building and entrance of the building, and curved lines were expanded. About 2.4 m tall, the window was planned as a fixed window to open and simple. The bottom of the fifth floor was planned to be about 4.1 m, and a wide window, which looks like a wide window standing there is a bright feeling of standing there from the ground. The architecture will be used as a rest space and more than employees. The architecture is important to have a space that can have time for sharing through employees and reading books. Furniture and drinks are needed to prepare large books and drinks. The wall was planned for the entire book, and a long canvas was planned in the center of the floor. About 5 m length with the light and books that are heavy and calm down through the window.